What are you doing to activate your investors for 2025? It will be a great source of business for you. I saw this interview on the news today, and it was talking about the Inland Empire in Los Angeles. And they were saying that 40% of the sales were all cash. That's incredible. That's a big amount. So what does that mean? Well, first of all, it means that these properties now in the Inland Empire are going to investors. That's first and foremost. Second of all, it means that investors are jumping into the market because they see potential cash flow and potential investment returns down the road. So usually people buy investment properties for two reasons. One's for cash flow and the other's for appreciation. Some may want a little bit of both. Obviously, that would be the best of all worlds. And it depends on where you're buying. So in Los Angeles, it used to be you bought a property for appreciation and it didn't cash flow, meaning your rent didn't cover your mortgage from your tenant. So you have to come out of pocket every month. When you don't have to come out of pocket, that means it's cash flowing. When you're making money every single month, it's cash flowing. And because of the changes in the income properties and a lot of people getting out of them, their cap rates are now at a place where they're very appealing to investors. So the question is,